Hello friends, today we'll learn how to construct 75 degree and 105 degree using ruler and compasses. So to construct 75 and 105 we will need 60, 120 and 90. So to get 75 degree we have to bisect 60 and 90. To get 75 we have to bisect 60 and 90. So 60 plus 90 is 150. So 150 by 2 is 75. So 60 and 90 will bisect, we will get 75. And similarly 90 and 120 if we will bisect, we will get 105. So let's start. So for this first we will need our base. So the angle base, let's draw it first. So let us take a ray here. So let's construct a ray. First we will take a point. So that will be our vertex and a ray. So O will be the vertex, let us pass through the point A. Now taking O will be the vertex. So all the two angles will be done at point O. So for first of all we will start by constructing a semicircle by taking O as the center. So it will take a definite radius, taking O as the center. So taking O as the center, first we will construct a semicircle. A little bit more is also okay. The thing is we have to touch the base. So this will be our 0 mark. So let us name it first. Point B. So let point B. So OB. So here this will be the 0 mark. So point B. So from B only we will start constructing 60, 120. So using the same radius now, we will not change the radius. Taking B as the center, as you can see here, taking B as the center without changing the radius, we will cut off this semicircle. Next, taking 60, so this will be a 60 mark. So let us mark it. Let us name it C. Now taking C as the center with the same radius that we have taken earlier, we will cut off another arc. So let it be D. So we've got two angles, one is 60, one is 120. So let's draw dotted lines for this, as we need not to show this. So 60 and 120. So we have got two angles, one is 60 degree and the one is 120. Now to construct 90 we know we have to bisect 60 and 120. So let's keep at the point C as the center and cut one arc, and taking D as the center, take another arc that intersects the previous arc. So one from C and one from D. So two arcs are meeting. Let's mark the meeting point now. So here we can mark it. So join it with the vertex. So as we know we are just using 60, 120 and 90. So you can just mark like this a dotted line. So we will be using these angles to construct 60 and 75. So I am not drawing normal lines. So dotted lines for 60, 120 and 90. Now we have to construct 75. So 75 means you have to bisect 60 and 90. So let us make a point D is over. So A, C, D, E. Okay, so E will be our 90 point, 60 and 120. So here we will bisect 60 and 90. So taking C as the center, we can change the radius. Taking C as the center, one arc. So here we know that 75 will come in between 60 and 90. 75 comes in between 60 and 90. So we will take the R somewhere in this portion, and 1 from E, that is 90. So 60 and 90 will meet at this point. You can see here, one from 60, one from 90. Let the meeting point be here. As you can see here, both of them meet here. Now we will join it with the vertex. So let's join with the vertex. So this one will be the 75 degrees. So mark a point here. Let it be F. So you can see here angle AOF. AOF is equals to 75 degree. And how we get 75? When we bisect 60 and 90. You have to remember, you have to bisect 60 and 90, we get 75. Now we will construct 105 with the same way. Now we will bisect 120 and 90. So with the change in the radius we can take, we just can increase or decrease. So let us cut off an arc somewhere middle portion. As we know, 105 will come in between 90 and 120. So I have taken one E as point as the center. The next one will be point D as the center, and cut off that same arc. One from E, one from D. From E one arc, from D another arc. That cut off. So here the meeting point will mark it here. Now we'll just join it with the vertex. So this will be 105. So you can see here angle AOF is 75, and let us name it here G. AOG. You can see here AOG. This forms 105 degrees. So you can write angle AOG is 105 degrees. So we have constructed 75 and 105 using ruler and compasses. Thank you and keep exploring.